Hey everybody, it's a beautiful middle of the summer day. Spot and I are outside just enjoying the flowers, some blue skies, listening to the birds sing. That makes it an excellent time to talk about wood stoves, inserts, pellet, gas. You stay tuned because we're going to come back to you with a whole bunch of information. Hi everybody, Spot and I are back inside with some of the stoves that you can save up to $300 on during the first half of August with our Heat in the Heat sale. It's an excellent time of year to buy a stove, and it's the best time. Our schedule's a little more flexible. As we get into August, our busy season technically starts, and we're going to get booked up. You're going to get your best delivery times now. You're going to get your best discounts now. Right now is the time. There's also a federal tax credit for certain products that is going away in December. So you got to get in before then or you're not going to get it. So we hope you all are having a good summer. We hope you all enjoy this heat. Get out on the lake, do a little water sports. Spot and I occasionally go to the lake. When you're not there, come on in and see us. We'll take care of this.